In this puzzle, your students are going to be placing relations and functions into a Venn diagram. Not the typical Venn diagram that your students are going to remember from elementary school, but rather a 5-question Venn diagram. How does this Venn diagram work? Well, in a very similar way to the old one. So, for example, if you have in this tan region the question, y has an upper bound, well, if your relation or function has an upper bound, then it has to lie within that shape. If it does not, then it has to lie outside.
Parallel, so blue, purple, red, yellow, yellow, blue, so right here.
That one and that one.
Yeah, I think I don't want to mix them up.
Parallel sides.
Let's look at an example. Y is equal to minus x squared plus 6x. The first question, has it got mirror symmetry about the y-axis? Well, let's plot it. It does not. Is y a function for all real x? Yes. Is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 a solution? Yes. Is x equal to 1, y is equal to 1 a solution? No. Does y have an upper bound? Yes. Now we have to place our equation into our Venn diagram. Does it go in the center? No, because we know that it does not satisfy the red shapes question. It does not satisfy has mirror symmetry about the y-axis. So it can't go inside the red shape. So that's not going to work. We could put it here. That's now outside of the red shape. But there's a problem, and that is that x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is not a solution. And this is within the green shape, so that's saying that it is a solution. So we can't put it there. It has to be outside both the red and the green shapes. Here, this will work. So you have to do that for all of these 32 relations and functions, and get your students to do that. And this will probably engage them for 45 minutes. There's exactly one answer that goes in each space in that Venn diagram. To facilitate a classroom discussion, I've added identifiers to each region. So they have no other purpose other than just so that you can say, oh, D5, what would go in D5? And then your students can discuss it. Next, I'm going to show you the answers. So if you don't want to see them, turn off the video now. Here they are. There's also room for you to get your students to create their own Venn diagram puzzles. I recommend the 5-question puzzle, but if you've got real keeners, then you can go to a 7-question puzzle. I will place all of these worksheets on the mathpickle.com website under, I think this will be grade 11. So we'll do this under the grade 11 section. Enjoy.